Alright, go. Go. What's that? His head? Is that his head? Draw him some eyes. Good job. Nose?
Nose.
Good job.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
It's your shirt?
Yeah.
Okay.
Touch it, Mama. And toes.
Toes?
And legs.
What's that?
His ears.
His ears.
The butt.
That's his...
Picture, Mama.
That's his butt.
A picture, Mama.
Can we take a picture?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye.